what other ways can you really make millions? So let's say you've done all the ETF maxing and you just want to invest into other altcoins. At Token Metrics, we're here to help you. We're here to help you find a 100x crypto portfolio with our indices. We have our AI trader index that goes through, gets the best tokens on Token Metrics based on trader grade, and every day creates a curated portfolio. And we're working on building the ability to allow our customers to invest into this. This is like almost like the Bitcoin ETF, but we're doing quite an ETF. Maybe someday we can launch the indices as an ETF. Who knows? That'll be incredible. But check this out. Our indices are on fire. Ever since we relaunched them back around October, November, they're just killing it because the AI is finding every hot coin from Bonk to Neon VM, during the Solana, to Solana itself, to all the meme coins, dealt with coin, whatever. It is finding or even Say Network. In that sense, I like to just log into the platform, check the trader indices, and see what are the top 10 hot coins the index has picked. And guess what? If you're just investing in those coins, maybe not even all the coins, maybe just even the ones with the most volume, just picking the ones you like, it is finding all the big narratives very, very quickly. Think of this as a good way to find what the hot narrative is in crypto and finding those coins to trade or invest in. And we're doing the same thing with our investor grade. This is for those who have more of a long-term horizon for investing. So this will rebalance and update quarterly, every 3 months. And this can also help you find a 100x portfolio. So this is the current portfolio that rebalanced this month. And this is doing pretty well. And I like to tell people, 100x can seem very far-fetched, but it's actually very easy. If your portfolio as a whole can do a 10x, that's possible in 1 year, a 10x in 1 year. If you do a 10x over 2 years, that's 100x. 10 times 10. That breaks it down. It's very simple. And guess what? A bull run can last 2 years. So think about it. If we take that 30K, or let's say you have an initial 30K, you put that into the indices, investor indices, trader indices, what have you, even just individual coins that they pick. 30K, 10x is 300K. If you do it again for a second year, that's 300K to 3 million. That's possible. Now, obviously, we like making money a lot faster because I made millions in 1 year, but this is possible for those of you who want to invest or trade projects already on exchanges. We also have Astra DAO, and Token Metrics indices have launched on Astra DAO. This is basically an Arbitrum-based index marketplace. We love indices at Token Metrics because it makes it easy to build creative portfolios, whether your portfolio or our portfolios. And we have launched AI indices on Astra DAO that basically take tokens on Arbitrum using the Token Metrics grade, and they buy when they're bullish and sell when they're bearish. We have indices right now for Arbitrum itself, for Wrap Bitcoin, and also for ETH. And we plan to launch even more. So anybody can now go on there, invest. And the token's already trading, and it's a DAO, it's a community-based project. It launched as an airdrop. So basically it was fair launch to our customers. We like offering value to our customers, for those who've been early supporters with us. Check out Astra DAO. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Token Metrics. Get there using the link down below.